Hello again. You join me today in the Lake District, arguably my favourite place in the entirety of the UK. Today we are back in Glenridding. We are going to be camping to a secret beach, which I'm pretty sure has never been documented before. I started this morning at 10:30 in Liverpool, Liverpool to Manchester, Manchester to Oxenholme, Oxenholme to Windermere, Windermere to Glenridding on the bus. And it is all in all taken about 5.5 hours. We've had trains cancelled, buses delayed, forecast looks awful. Stick around, this video is going to be great. I'm looking forward to showing you what the Lake District has to offer and hopefully inspiring you to get out on your own little mission. Let's get a move on.
I didn't expect it to get all scary so quickly. Unbelievable. Hey guys. Whoa, you don't need to go away. I'm sorry. Yeah, I feel bad. Sorry goats if you're watching this. The guy out there just looking over. So we're already over the other side. That was where I was just filming that start bit. We've already made pretty good ground. And this is a very small section of the Ullswater that I'm doing. A general rule of thumb for wild camping etiquette, and something that I've always followed. When you're camping, always try and stick above the highest fell wall. What a fell wall is basically just like ancient land markers that dictate different farmers' land, and that generally means that anything above that isn't owned by anybody, so no one's going to come up and disturb you. I jinxed it. It is coming down now. I did plan for this. Everything about me head to toe is waterproof. I shouldn't be cowering like I am, but the one thing that I forgot to bring is the waterproof cover for my camera. This tree is giving me maximum coverage, so I'm safe for now. Oh, it's clearing up. More doors back into vision. Now, my understanding of the forecast today is that we're gonna have hours like that, and then hours of goodness. And that's what we're relying on. Rain is basically stopped now, but it'll be back, I'm sure. Let's continue. That is Norfolk Island. That tiny little spot in the middle there. Oh, there's two tiny little spots. Now, this one at the back, that is Norfolk Island. I'm not sure who this little guy closer is, but this here, that's the beach we're going to. Look at this. We are technically at the entrance to the beach, and it is so unsuspecting. You would never know that it's through here. Okay, it's windy. It's definitely windy. It's got me a little bit nervous for the camp. Onto a sort of a path. I think this is it. Oh. So there's definitely a scramble element. And here we are. We've made it. Now we just need to get down there somehow. Woo. Come on. This ground looks perfect. The whole of the beach is like super rocky. Then there is like a perfect tent-sized little cushioned mulchy area. I think I'm gonna pitch my tent right here. All right, it has started hammering it down. I've got to very quickly pitch the tent, so I'm gonna try and film as much as I can, but it's not looking good. Let me take you on a tour of the tent. I have just for like the last 20 minutes been battling. Although there's this like mulchy layer of like bark, to be expected, there are stones underneath. I wasn't able to peg down, and instead I've put the pegs in as much as they'll go and then stacked rocks. So here you can see that is not going anywhere. And I've basically done that all the way around. But in all fairness, look at that for a pitch. Not a bad spot at all. I can. It's looking nice. I usually will filter water whilst I'm out here. I've drank directly from tarns before, and that's always been fine. But when you drink directly from a tarn, that's a lot fresher water. It's not gone through farmland and it's not picked up all the chemicals on the way. Whereas Lake Ullswater, as beautiful as it is, I would not drink directly from it. Algae releasing toxins, you've got all the chemical runoff from all the farmland around here. And yeah, you probably just don't want that. There's all sorts of parasites and stuff. I have brought 2 Nalgene's, and I've got 2 litres here. Gonna enjoy a well-earned coffee and maybe get some dinner on the go. Ooh, we're getting there, we're getting there. We've got this little powder. Nothing better than powdered milk. I know I'm procrastinating having dinner, but it would not be a video of mine next to a lake if I didn't skim a stone. We are losing daylight. Look at this boy. Premium skimmer. The waves are choppy, so this isn't going to be good. 2. The time is 10 past 10. And it's still like respectably light, but the water has boiled. Pour it in now up to the fill line. Already I'm going to tell you there are peas in this bolognese. Don't know what to think about that. Never in my life have I had peas in a bolognese. I don't know if that's legal. Fingers crossed, after 8 minutes we've got a delectable scran on our hands. Time has gone off. The food is ready. I don't know if I like what I'm looking at. Venture food review. For £8, that's pretty awful, I'll be honest. That's not good. I've done exactly as requested. That's really bad. Some of the peas just aren't even cooked. I made sure to like squeeze the bag as I was going as well, so that the water got into everything and it was cycling from top to bottom. There is no excuse that they can hide behind. That is just bad. Yeah, there's like spaghetti that isn't cooked. That's a shame. I'm not sure if you guys can hear my neighbours, but I think I've got geese that are going to be joining me tonight, which is wasn't on the cards. I didn't know that was coming, but they are very loud. I think it's fine, and I am probably going to hit the hay. It is 11 o'clock. Good night. Good morning. That was a pretty good night's sleep. Pretty sure there was geese right outside my tent. I just shouted and they flew away. It is a beautiful morning. And the time at the moment is 6:39. So 2 and a bit hours to pack up and head back and hopefully avoid the rain. I'm gonna waste no time. I'm gonna crack on. And yeah, thank you guys for joining me on this adventure. It's been good fun. Definitely a secret beach. No one has seen me. I have not seen a single soul since coming down here. I've arrived late, packing up early. That's how you do it. Especially if, just like this trip, you're not specifically following wild camping etiquette. If you're gonna do what I've done, make sure that you arrive late, set up late, and then pack up early. Thank you, rocks. Just double checking I've not left any pegs or anything, because that would be a nightmare. But no, looks like we're good to go. Got a little bit of a scramble ladder here, but just scaling along a cliff. Now I've just got to go all the way around there, back to Glenridding. Don't mind me just trekking through the jungle. See how there's these like very small paths that's just trampled out. You can barely see it, but pretty sure this is just livestock that keep these clear. This is the only summit I'll be doing today. Just watching this farmer struggle with these stubborn sheep. But
Hello everybody, I forgot to film a proper outro for this one, but as always I had an absolutely awesome time filming and making this video, and if this is your kind of thing, there are plenty more videos just like this one coming, so feel free to hit subscribe, drop a like as well so I know you like the video. That's about it. And also this is me awkwardly bobbing and weaving through the Liverpool Premier League celebration parade, so yeah, enjoy that. But yeah, thank you very much, take care, cheers, bye bye.